of cadets and cadets of this unit for the school year 2011-2012.
Relinquishment of command. Cadet Colonel Mary Grace S. Tabernal renounces her duty as the incumbent Corps Commander.
Bowie St. Joseph's Academy Incorporated. Citizenship Advancement Training. San Pedro Bowie, Camarines Sur. General Order Number 1. Relinquishment of Command. Pursuant to the Section 1, General Order Number 1. Bowie St. Joseph's Academy Incorporated. Citizenship Advancement Training. San Pedro Bowie, Camarines Sur. I hereby relinquish the command of this unit as Corps Commander of Cadets and Cadets effective this day, 31 March 2011. I sign.
Assumption of command. Cadet Second Lieutenant Mary France S. Nonsol accepts her duty as the incoming Corps Commander.
Bowie St. Joseph Academy Incorporated. Citizenship Advancement Training. San Pedro Bowie, Camarines Sur. General Order Number 1. Assumption of Command. Pursuant to the Section 1, General Order Number 1. Bowie St. Joseph Academy Incorporated. Citizenship Advancement Training. San Pedro Bowie, Camarines Sur. I hereby assume the command of this unit as Acting Corps Commander of Cadets and Cadets effective this day, 21 March 2011. I sign.
I resign.
Turnover of command to be given by the outgoing Corps Commander and Staff to the incoming Corps Commander and Staff. First, the turnover of sword. The sword is an emblem of military honor and leadership that symbolizes authority. Battalion Staff for planning. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Nanette S. Runan turns over her sword to Cadet Second Lieutenant Julius C. San Antonio. The planning officer is responsible for military affairs or strategy. It is his job to ensure that all layouts and markers go according to schedule.
Upak ng GD.
Battalion Staff for Logistics. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Roan Joy D. Avila turns over her sword to Cadet Second Lieutenant Desiree D. Lavaque. The supply officer is responsible for managing logistical support and providing all manner of supplies and services such as ammunition, fuel, food, water, maintenance, materials, engineering, and transportation. Battalion Staff for Training. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Asterio M. Morandarte turns over his sword to Cadet Second Lieutenant Francis B. Comploma. The training officer plans and coordinates operation and all things necessary to enable the formation to operate and accomplish its mission. It is the largest of the staff section and considered the most important. All aspects of sustaining the unit operations, planning future operations, and additionally planning and executing all unit training. The S3 is also tasked with keeping track of all weekly training schedules. In most military units, the training officer carries the same rank as the executive officer. Battalion Staff for Intelligence. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Sheila Marie R. Imperial turns over her sword to Cadet Second Lieutenant Angeline D. Bueno. The intelligence officer is responsible for collecting and analyzing intelligence information about the enemy to determine what the enemy is doing or might do to prevent the accomplishment of the unit's mission. She may also control maps and geological information system and data. At the unit level, the S2 is the unit security officer and manages all security clearances issues for the unit's personnel. Battalion staff for personnel. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Cherry M. Nachor turns over her sword to Cadet Second Lieutenant Alvin D. Liemes. The personnel officer supervises personnel administration system. His functions as the essential administrative liaison between the subordinate unit and the headquarters, handling personnel actions coming from the bottom up, such as requests from an award to be given to a particular soldier, or from top down, such as orders being received from the Army level directing a particular soldier be reassigned to a new unit outside the command. In Army unit, this person is often called the adjutant. S1 also deals with postal mailing office. Corps Commander, Cadet Colonel Mary Grace S. Tabernal turns over her sword to Cadet Second Lieutenant Mary France S. Lunsol. The Corps Commander sets objectives, strategies, and priorities of the unit. He or she has the overall responsibility of the unit. Now the turnover of school color. The color symbolizes responsibility, and Cadet Colonel Mary Grace S. Tabernal turns over the responsibility of being the Corps Commander of this unit to Cadet Second Lieutenant Mary France S. Lunsol.
Nice.
The new Corps Commander and Staff, together with the former Corps Commander and Staff, troops the line once again as the newly designated troop commanders accept the command of this unit.
Nagpatora-tora. Ano man natutan ni Bagad? As in review, the new Corps Commander and Staff assumed full command and responsibility of this unit, and the battalion is now ready for review. The reviewing officers of Bowie St. Joseph's Academy Incorporated Citizenship Advancement Training Turnover of Command is headed by Lieutenant Commander Rodildin Chris A. Serio, Philippine Navy, Guest of Honor, Mrs. Anita L. Santa Rosa, School Principal, Mr. Irvin Carlo A. Noble, Assistant Principal and Safety Coordinator, Mr. Armando L. Samper and Mr. Henry C. Noble, Safety Facilitator, Mrs. Catherine L. Belsa, Major Coordinator, and Mr. Leo B. Bisenyo, DLC Coordinator. They will witness for the last time the graduating class this year as they march past by the stage, showcasing what they have accomplished and the discipline they acquired during the entire advancement training, school year 2010-2011. We'll approach the stage, ladies and gentlemen, is the PSGI Corps of Cadets and Cadets
batch of 2011, commanded by the newly designated Corps Commander in Staff, Cadet Second Lieutenant Mary France S. Nonsol.
15. Amutan ni formation ng Mansar sa ipon. Ada mga bangko. Batang pa.
Cadet Second Lieutenant Francis D. Congloma, Training Officer. Cadet Second Lieutenant Angelina G. Bueno, Intelligence Officer. Cadet Second Lieutenant Desiree D. Lamonte, Supply Officer. Cadet Second Lieutenant Alvin D. Lemes, Personnel Officer. Cadet Second Lieutenant Julio C. San Antonio, Planning Officer. Majorette, Cadet Master Sergeant Charlie L. Abud, of the Fire Corps, led by Cadet Major Christian A. Bagasi. 2010-2011 Corps of Cadets, Alpha Company, Cadet Major Belfort N. Portugal, Alpha Company Commander. Cadet Captain Christine A. Castellano, Alpha Company Executive Officer. Cadet Major Guillermo E. Castillo III, Alpha Company First Platoon Leader. Cadet Captain John Clemens C. Lianda,